I have new wiper blades for my 2023 Tesla Model 3. But how do you get in there to replace the blades if they're tucked down below the hood? I'll show you. All you have to do is get inside of your Tesla, press the car icon, go to Service, and press Wiper Service Mode. When you press that, the wipers come up. One important thing to do to protect your windshield is just put something underneath the connection point so it doesn't crack or scrape your windshield. I just have a shipping bag here. You can use a towel or anything. So what you do to take off the blade is you see this black button here. You just press that in. You can pulls out a little bit. And then in here, you just press down and pull out. Super simple. Then to put the new blade in, just line it up so the hole will be the same spot as the button. And then just slide it in. Ta-da, all done. Now I'll do the other side. The driver's side is the longer wiper. It's labeled -C. The passenger side was labeled -B. So I'll put the padding underneath to not damage the windshield at all. Press the button in, pull out, and then depress just inside there. Slides right out. If I didn't put the padding underneath, this hard metal piece would be hitting the windshield. Pull the new wiper out. Pointy end goes in. Slides in. Now the windshield wipers are replaced. Get the wipers back in position. Again, press the car icon, go to Service, press Wiper Blade Mode, and now they're back underneath the hood. And now my Model 3 is all set for spring and summer with nice fresh new wipers. I got the wipers for free thanks to viewers like you who used my referral link you can see below to buy a Tesla of their own. Thanks for watching.